Type a single keyword and Excel instantly returns everything that you need. Alright, today I'm going to show you how to do it. First, I'll be using the search function and to find text. So this is the text that I want to find, and it's within this product name. Then close parentheses and press enter, and this instantly returns some number and some error. So basically what search does is that it returns the position of the keyword. So my keyword is that, and it's at the 8th position of this product name. So next I want to convert this search into true and false. So I can use isNumber, then wrap this entire search function, then close parentheses, and this returns true and false for me. Then next I will use filter function to only filter all the true records for me. So filter, and the array is this big table, then comma, and this part is the one that I want to include, so the one that I want to filter out. Then comma, if empty, I want it to return no match. Close quote and close parentheses and press enter, and this instantly returns all the product name with the keyword that. And the search function is actually case insensitive, so you can type in small letters or big letters and it doesn't matter. So I can just type in laptop and it will return all the product with the word laptop in it. If you find this tutorial useful, make sure to like, follow or subscribe me, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye.